Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about the top 3 best AI recruitment tools, both free and paid. So if you are trying to hire someone for your company, your agency or even a freelance job, then these tools can help you to save time and find better candidates using AI. So in the market there are thousands of AI recruitment tools, but we are going to talk about the best 3 ones. So before we start, I just want to say one thing, that just check the description below this video. You will find all the official links and updated information I talk about in this video. Alright, so let's get started. So at the number 3, we have the Hire Easy, and it's basically Hire Easy. This tool helps you find and contact people who are not even applying for job yet. They call it passive talent. You can search across the website like LinkedIn, GitHub and more, and the AI will help you to write message, organize candidates and send emails in one place. Hire Easy is really good for recruiters or hiring teams who need better reach. There is a free plan with limited feature, and if you want full version you can contact them for pricing depending on your team size. It's smart and saves a lot of time compared to doing everything manually. And at number 2, we have the Manatal. Manatal is an ATS or application tracking system, and it's powered by AI. It means it helps you to manage all your applications in one dashboard. It reads the resume, scores them based on your job and shows you the top matches. You can also post jobs, create pipeline and tracking interview. One cool thing is that it uses AI to recommend candidates based on skill, job title or even past experiences, and it made for both small and large teams. Manatal gives you a 14 days free trial, and then pricing start at around $15 per month. So it's not too expensive and it's very powerful for teams that hire regularly. And now at the number 3, we have the Paradox AI. Paradox is famous for its AI chatbot named Olivia. Olivia can talk to candidate, ask questions and even schedule the interview all by herself. It works on your website, job boards and even mobile. It feels like a human chat, but it's fully AI powered. This tool is great for companies that get a lot of job applications. It saves hours of time every week. Olivia can also give reminder, send update and answer basic questions from job seekers. Paradox doesn't show exact pricing online. You have to contact them to know the pricing and all of this stuff. But big companies like Unilever or McDonald's use it, so it's trusted. So that was the video for today. All the tools are linked in the description below. So try the free trials or get more information if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.